Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Happy Valentine's Day, February 14th. What do we got on the docket today? You'll see here from forexfactory.com calendar that we have the only item that is US based is a crude oil inventories at 10:30. That's it. 4 o'clock, we have FOMC member Barr speaking, and that is it. So very, very light Wednesday news-wise. After yesterday's CPI, I think that's a good thing. Yeah, CPI came out, was really, really ugly. Market didn't like it. Yes, and that's where we're at right now. Taking a look at the daily chart, you can see that ugly, nasty day yesterday. We are gapping up, and I got to be honest with you, if we could go a little bit higher, I'm going to put on a put position in the spiders. Probably for I'll probably buy the March 1st, Friday, March 1st puts to give it a couple of weeks here to see if it will continue to go down, because we could easily have a bounce day today, in which case I'm going to, like I say, I'm going to sell into that and hope that it continues to come back down and retests this 48.62 area as a minimum. So there's a strategy for you if you like that kind of strategy. Where can we go? We could easily set the top, go to the top highs here, that 50.66 downside. I think if we got going, we could probably come down into the 49.02 area. Big spike in volume, that's very disconcerting on a big day down. So we'll have to see if there's follow through today, or if they try to come back up. They bounce it a little bit here again. I think that'll be an opportunity to short. So moving on, intraday 60-minute inventory. A couple things jump out at me. Big move down, but you can see that the big move down in inventory, the bounce was incredible. All right, so we went from minus almost 30,000 contracts to only minus 5,000 on this bump up, which I don't think is proportional. You can see the slopes of these lines are not the same. So that being said, I think this is the bottom fishing crew, the buy the dip folks that kicked in yesterday, the last hour. And that's what created that little move. The interesting part is if this bumps up, comes back up into this general area, and then takes out this low a couple of days from now, all these buy the dip folks are going to get screwed, and they're going to dump the market, trust me. And it'll go down a lot. We didn't have any panic selling yesterday, didn't see much of it. Just very organized, is what it is. Intraday, support resistance levels. So first of all, the overnight action was approximately 32 points. That's way more than average, so very high volatility. We've got some 50, I'm going to say 50-10, 50-30, 50-40 are resistance. Support, on the other hand, we've got some support down here at 49.72. Good support at 49.51, 49.36. There's lots of support underneath. Really good support at 49. I'm going to say 49.12, 49.10 area. So those are your intraday support and resistance areas. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 61.9, 61.9 for the Stock Traders Almanac. Positive bias. That's where it is. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. See you guys tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.